This is going to be a almost personal readings for all signs collective from now until the next 72 hours. All that I need to know about your person. This is a general spread, so may or may not resonate completely with you. So let's start. What is happening with you guys? First, the card for you. Right now at Four of Pentacles, you guys will be holding back majorly from taking action towards this person or just overall life. You guys are not taking chances. Okay, what else do you see? Like even financially things could be slightly off lately. Okay, I don't think that things are going very well for you when it comes to the financial front as well, because it's focused on saving more. With Page of Swords, many of you guys could be keeping a watch on this person but not having any intentions of reaching out, but you are waiting for them to see or to possibly waiting on them to message you first or have that first move. Okay, in terms of what's your energy like towards this person? With Knight of Wands, I believe that many of you guys are wanting to be a little more playful with this individual. You are wanting to see how they'll react if you act a little more playful. Okay, that is a little flirty. Okay, in terms of the overall energy, what's the overall energy like of the connection? Overall, it's basically moving like a pendulum. It's north to south and south to north again, so it's not stable. Okay, how is your person thinking about you? Seven of Swords. This person is doing the same thing you're doing. That is, they are watching you from a distance. Okay, like what are they up to? Eight of Pentacles. Maybe your person is also focused on their personal life right now, just like you. They're just trying to mind their own business. Okay, in terms of their overall energy towards you. We have Ace of Swords. Please clarify, Spirit. See, I do believe that your person, as of now, is focused on their own self, themselves, their finances, their future. But I do feel this person is going to try to possibly reach out soon. Judgment and Ace of Swords is majorly like communication. Okay, but the problem is right now they are still deciding on it. Okay, for many of you who haven't received communication, I do feel that is coming at least by the next 10 hours for many of you. Okay, in terms of why are they holding back? With Page of Cups, they were waiting on you to reach out. Okay, that was the major blockage. They were waiting on you and you were waiting on them, and basically it's at standstill now thanks to that. Okay, with Page of Cups, your person is still behaving very immature. For some of you, you're dealing with someone who's slightly younger than you. Okay, in terms of their major feelings towards you, High Priestess, they do feel connected to you, but sometimes they do question their own feelings that they have for you. So they're not very sure as to how they feel and why they feel it. Okay, but they know that there's some connection with you. Okay, in terms of their heart space, the Chariot card, some of them might feel like there's some serious attraction there. Okay, like there's attachment, attraction. Okay, if they have had options, then they know that you are the better option. Okay, in terms of the headspace, we have Queen of Pentacles in the reverse, but still after all this BS, they are not yet ready for a commitment. Okay, reason being, with Wheel of Fortune, they still want more time. Okay, in terms of their major intentions towards you, major intention towards you as of now is to not get over friendly with you or to open up too much with you. They are setting some boundaries. They are trying to act a little detached. They do have a mask go like on, and somewhat they might not come off very sweet and gentle and kind. Okay, they'll come off more detached, and that's the plan. Okay, in terms of how they want to come forward, With Wheel of Fortune, they are planning to come forward in the coming next couple of days. But for many of you, I would say like almost 50% of you, you guys should be receiving a message by tomorrow. Okay, one more card in terms of like what do they have in mind. We have the Hanged Man. So the in the past couple of days, many of you guys could have been feeling like they'll keep you waiting, they'll keep you strangled, they'll keep you basically holding on to a connection that's going nowhere. So you guys were triggered, okay, with the Hanged Man. I believe this person was watching you, you were watching them, and nothing was happening. You might be having a feeling that they are talking to someone else. That could have broken your heart. Okay, you do doubt or possibly have a intuition that is telling you that there might be a third party present. Okay, in terms of what like what are the major blockages? Blockages is this person hasn't been decided or hasn't had a plan as such. Okay, they are always one step like coming forward and then taking two steps back, and that's been going on for the longest time. Your person has been at crossroads forever. Okay, in terms of if they come forward, what do they have to offer? Three of Pentacles, one more card. Can you rely on whatever they are wanting to come forward with? The Empress card, see, the problem I'll tell you is that this connection, no matter how difficult or how painful it has been, it has been a good learning experience and good evolving experience for you. Regardless of how you look at this person and what you think they might have done to you, in the long run, this has helped you grow as a person, as a soul. It has kind of got you a lot more mature. You are a lot more self-aware now. You are giving into yourself, that is emotionally, otherwise as well. You guys are literally taking care of yourself more. Okay, there are lots of threes in the reading that speaks about you guys have always wanted this person to take that first action, like possibly make efforts, make serious efforts, build on the connection, but that has not been happening. Okay, and with Three of Pentacles, there's a solid feeling that you guys might be doubting them, like they have someone else, or they are possibly talking to someone else, and that has been going on for a while now. Okay, one card for where this is going for now. With Page of Wands, just like I've mentioned, I do feel many of you guys will get attention. With Four of Cups, right now you feel rejected. Right now you feel like this person has let you go or possibly dropped you. But that is not the case. Okay, I do feel with the Sun card there is a very good chance that your person will try to make a move back. Now again, I want to remind you guys that many of you guys are connected with someone who has been very clear about the fact that they are not looking forward to this connection with you, and you should move on. Now that is a different case, but if you guys are on terms which make you believe that it can get somewhere, then you should watch like readings or tarot readings. But if the guy or the girl has been very clear on the fact that they want nothing with you and it's just a fling, then darling, you guys are just wasting your time watching readings and wasting your life holding on to them. Okay, now those are the very people that will come in the comment section and say that I'm misguiding or I'm misleading. No, I'm not misleading. It's just that you guys are so attached to an soul that you think I'm misleading. Okay, with the Sun card, just like I've mentioned, I do see attention. This person has been very focused on their financial stability and overall stability. Okay, say suppose they had a third party, how is that going? I still feel that that is stagnant as well. That is not really going anywhere. With Nine of Swords, they are not happy wherever they are or with whomever they are. Okay, how do they think about you and how do they view you? How do they think about you? They get triggered whenever they think about you. You might have said something or done something that kind of got to their nerves a bit. Okay, you definitely trigger them a lot by saying something, or by not doing something. Okay, one card for how do they view you. They know that this isn't over between the two of you. Okay, that is the last message. And one card for where things might be going for the next 3 days. Ace of Cups. Okay, I do feel you guys will reconnect. With Eight of Cups, I do not see this person being emotionally available, however. Okay, so that is something a little triggering. Let me pick a few spirit messages for you guys. I'm trying to give you guys same day delivery post December. Okay, for now I'll have to keep 7 days, 8 days waiting. I do not get a lot of time, so things are difficult for me to manage. Okay, change, your love life will change. Second message we have is let's find a way to compromise instead of giving up. Okay, let's find a way to compromise instead of giving up. And last message we have is I will only hurt you if I stay close to you. And that could have been one of the reasons why they ran away. Like they thought that sticking by you or staying close to you, they'll only hurt you more. Okay. Uh, Personal issues, daddy or mommy issues, never been loved, bad past. Okay. So your person definitely has wounds and they basically bleed on you. That is how things have been going. Okay, give me a minute. I need to pull this card. Eyes only on you focused. See, the problem I'll tell you is even if your person comes forward, I do not see them emotionally being available to you. They'll wear a mask, they'll act detached. So again, a triggering message. They will come forward, however, they won't be open 100%. Okay, they'll try to see how things go with you. Basically, going with the flow, but acting all caught up and possibly all like detached, all uptight. With Emperor card, they like controlling. Basically, that's what I mean. Okay, so this is all I have for you. If it resonated, you know what to do. Every like counts. That is how I go forward. I'm not been very active lately. November personally was very difficult for me as a reader. I was exhausted. I could not continue. So that is why I took a break, and it was much needed. Okay, I hope you guys understand, and we hope to be much more connected now. I left doing live readings back in the 2018. I'm trying to do that more now. I want to reconnect with you guys. I feel detached from you guys. So yes, I hope to do that more, and I hope you guys will support me with that as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. My site is off for a few days. Okay, due to some glitch. I'm trying to fix it. All those who want a reading, kindly reach out on my Instagram, that is Divine Soul Guidance, or Libra Vibes Only, or my WhatsApp. Okay, but only for reading inquiries. I do not try to message me and try to get a free reading. Please don't do that. Okay, as it is, I'm triggered. Okay, so I hope to see you soon, guys, and I really missed you. And I hope to reconnect on a very personal level, that is through lives. I used to love doing that. I do not know if you're a new subscriber or old subscriber, but then I left it for whatever reasons. Okay, but I hope to reconnect. Okay, thank you so much. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button, do comment, and let me know. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.